Imagine a food that has the power to completely transform your life. Something simple, accessible, and incredibly powerful. It's not an expensive supplement, nor is it a complicated or miraculous recipe that requires exotic ingredients. It's something so common that you probably see it on the market every week, but you may never have realized the true potential it can offer your health. In this video, you'll discover how this food has scientifically proven properties that can protect your heart, strengthen your immune system, improve blood circulation, and even fight infections. What's more, it's a powerful tool in the prevention of chronic diseases, helping you to live with more energy, more vigor, and fewer health worries in the future. Curious to know what it is? I'll tell you in a moment, but first I need to ask you a sincere question. Do you feel that your fast-paced routine and quick meals are damaging your health? Many of us choose practicality over a balanced diet. It's so easy to turn to processed foods, loaded with preservatives, saturated fat, excess sugar, and empty calories. They are available to us on every street corner, ready to satisfy our immediate hunger, but they wreak silent havoc on our bodies. Today, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity are growing problems, and food is one of the main contributing factors. However, the food I'm about to reveal is the exact opposite of all this. It can help reverse the damage caused by years of neglecting our health. A natural solution, proven by scientific studies, for those who want to take care of their bodies without sacrificing taste and simplicity. No matter what your age, whether you're an adult who wants to age well or someone who is already dealing with health challenges, this food can make a difference and provide the benefits you're looking for. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal how it can be the key to transforming your health in a simple and effective way. But before we get straight to the point, think about something. What if you had in your hands a natural solution that could help cleanse your arteries, reducing the risk of heart problems? Something that could strengthen your immunity, making you more resistant to colds, flu, and even more serious illnesses? Imagine a food capable of promoting an anti-inflammatory effect in your body, fighting joint pain, and helping to prevent degenerative diseases. Also think of the impact it could have on your day-to-day energy, improving your physical and mental performance. An ally on your table that you can use in multiple ways, whether in your favorite foods or in simple but effective recipes. With this food, you would not only be taking care of your health, but also investing in your future, reducing the cost of medication and preventing frequent visits to the doctor. Now you might be even more curious. What is this powerful and affordable food? Don't miss the next few minutes, because we're going to explore together all the secrets and benefits of this true natural treasure. The food we're talking about is garlic, an ingredient used by civilizations for millennia. Originally from Central Asia, garlic was already valued by ancient peoples such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who used it both as a spice and as a natural remedy. Its medicinal properties have been recorded since 1550 BC in the Ebers Papyrus, one of the oldest documents on medicine. Garlic is rich in vitamins and health-promoting compounds such as vitamins B6 and C. They help strengthen the immune system and combat oxidative stress, preventing cell damage. Selenium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in antioxidant defense and thyroid health. Allicin, the main active compound in garlic, known for its antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, as well as helping to reduce cholesterol. Manganese, important for bone formation, metabolism, and hormone regulation. The main benefits of garlic include improved cardiovascular health. Garlic helps reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as improving blood pressure, contributing to a healthier heart. Strengthens the immune system. Its bioactive compounds stimulate the production of defense cells, making the body more resistant to infections. Anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of garlic can reduce chronic inflammation, helping to relieve joint pain and prevent autoimmune diseases. Antioxidant action fights free radicals, slowing down cellular aging and promoting healthy skin and organs. Control of blood sugar levels. Garlic helps regulate blood glucose and is an ally in controlling type 2 diabetes. Digestive health stimulates digestive enzymes, promoting more efficient digestion and reducing problems such as bloating and indigestion. Antimicrobial properties acts to fight bacteria and fungi, helping to prevent infections such as candidiasis and colds. With so many benefits, garlic is a true superfood that can transform your health in an affordable and effective way. Over the next few moments, we're going to explore how to include it in your daily routine to maximize all these positive effects. Before we go on to explore more benefits of this incredible food, I want to invite you to join our health and wellness community. Here on the channel, we have a series of contents dedicated to transforming your life with practical tips and valuable information about powerful foods that improve health naturally. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Click on the subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions or experiences. I love reading and answering each one. If this topic caught your attention, you'll love our exclusive playlist with other magical foods that can help you improve your health dramatically. Don't worry, you can check it all out as soon as you've finished this video. So don't leave until the end, because there's still a lot of valuable information to share with you. Now, let's get back to the main subject and find out how to make the most of the benefits of garlic in your daily life. We've come to the most eagerly awaited part: how to use garlic on a daily basis to transform your health and reap all the benefits of this superfood. As well as being accessible and versatile, garlic is an ingredient that can be easily incorporated into a variety of recipes, from basic seasonings to more elaborate preparations. The most interesting thing is that small changes can produce surprising results. Practical forms of consumption. Raw garlic. Consuming raw garlic is the best way to take advantage of its medicinal properties, especially allicin. To do this, simply mash or mince a clove of garlic. Wait a few minutes for the allicin to be activated and consume it directly or mix with olive oil or honey. Garlic tea. To strengthen immunity, garlic tea is an excellent option. Boil water with a crushed garlic clove, add lemon and honey to taste, and consume in the morning. Canned garlic. A practical and tasty alternative to having garlic ready for use is to pickle it in olive oil or vinegar. This preserves its properties and adds a special touch to meals. As a seasoning in meals, use fresh or powdered garlic to season salads, meats, sauces, and soups. This elevates the flavor and adds nutritional value to your meals. Long-term results. Regular consumption of garlic brings a number of noticeable improvements to the body. Here are the main results you can expect. Improved immune system. After weeks of consuming garlic regularly, you will notice greater resistance to colds and flu. Studies show that garlic can reduce the number of sick days by up to 70%. Healthier heart. Within a few months, a reduction in LDL cholesterol and an improvement in blood pressure begin to appear, promoting robust cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. More energy and well-being. Garlic's antioxidant action eliminates free radicals, reducing tiredness and promoting a general feeling of vigor and disposition. Blood sugar control. For those struggling with type 2 diabetes or looking to prevent the disease, eating garlic can significantly contribute to stabilizing blood sugar over time. Digestion improves drastically. You will notice a lighter and more efficient digestion, with a reduction in bloating and gastric discomfort. Prevention of infections. Over time, garlic helps to create a natural barrier against bacteria and fungi, making the body less susceptible to common infections such as candidiasis and colds. Important tip: for best results, Garlic consumption should be constant and balanced. An average of 1 to 2 cloves of garlic a day is enough to enjoy its benefits without overloading the body. Now that you know how to include garlic in your routine and the incredible results it can provide, it's time to put it into practice. Remember, big changes start with small actions, and garlic can be the key to a healthier and longer life. Imagine how different your life would be by adopting a habit as simple as incorporating a powerful ingredient into your daily routine. Imagine more energy when you wake up, an immune system that is resistant to any threat, and health that radiates strength from the inside out. While you prepare that special dish or sip an invigorating tea, garlic begins to act silently, taking care of your heart, strengthening your immunity, and even preventing future problems. It's not just a food, it's a true partner in your journey towards a healthier, more balanced life. And here on the channel, that's just the beginning. I have a whole playlist dedicated to other magical foods that can transform your health in surprising ways. These videos are ready for you to watch after you've finished this one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, and activate the bell to continue learning how to take care of your body in a practical and natural way. After all, transformation begins with a decision, and yours has already started here. See you in the next video.